Hello. Hello? Hello? Rose, why are you having a breakdown?
I got no kisses.
10 hours later. That's enough for the ride for this month. Okay. Okay, Chester the Cool Cat. What do you want to do?
I have a question.
What?
Which was sent by me, my own self. Okay. Why are you so small? Why are you so
we're
small?
Webkins.
Well, why are you smaller than me?
I'm an alley house cat. You're
Okay, I got a question. That was sent by me. Why did who was it? Why did this blue Yoshi fart?
I farted a dog. They eat fruit, It's not like they don't eat anything.
I knew that they wrote, but I didn't know that it made them party.
Stop it! Okay, next. Why shouldn't you freak out while you're on the computer? This is an example. I love Justin Bieber. P.S. Don't love Justin Bieber. He sucks.
He's dumb.
Look. Let's see if Justin Bieber's awesome. Click. He's super dumb. No. His computer broke into pieces. He had to buy it. He had to throw it into the trash, and that computer was forgotten.
Justin Bieber.
And he also got really made fun of on the internet.
Justin Bieber.
No, I'm not Justin Bieber. Also, he had
Justin
to buy. He also needed to buy a new computer for $10 million. Way too
$10
expensive.
million later. What?
Oh well. Next, why does my sister love Justin Bieber so much? No, why does my brother love Justin Bieber so much when it's just the stupidest thing ever?
Hey, you hate Justin Bieber? So do I.
So this is the reason why she thinks that singing baby a bunch of times isn't annoying, and that Justin Bieber tattoos are cool. P.S. I don't like him. I like Justin Bieber. Get out! Next, Rose? I like that you're parodying the song with your farts.
Thank you.
That's weird that you're doing that. Next, which song is the best in the world? I've always asked this question. What's the best music in the world? I put in these. A. I'm blue.
I'm blue, double die.
Or Justin Bieber, baby.
Baby.
That is obviously not the answer. And also the Tetris music. Dun 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 dun.
And another one. Okay, let me see. Dynamite.
And the stupid song Friday. The winner was I'm Blue. I'm blue, dabba dee dabba da da dabba dee da dabba dee da da.
Seriously?
Dabba dee da da dabba dee dabba dabba dee.
I'm Blue is not one of my favorite songs. It's Dynamite. That's what I vote. Everybody loves Dynamite.
No, I didn't.
Why do you have to use the winners?
Next, in second place is Dynamite.
That's not bad. That's not even cool.
Oh. Also in most miserable because he's super miserable, we're making him in the same place as I'm Blue. Because you're so freaking miserable, and 10 more votes went on to it, making it the same place as I'm Blue.
Dynamite. Yeah.
Hey,
Ouch.
I'm Blue.
Ow. And here's the next part. Vote on parody songs like Minecraft parody song TNT, Friday parody song Tuesday, and Webkinz I don't even think anybody have heard of this song, but Webkinz parody Gundam Style, which is Webkinz Style. I don't think anybody have heard that song, but I have.
Webkinz Style.
Whoa. Gavin. Webkinz Style. Whoa. Webkinz Style. Hey. Webkinz.
Next. What?
Let's see the top votes. Okay. That was totally not what I was thinking. Webkinz Style, first place. TNT, second place.
Hey, actually, in third place is our votes, which was for the Minecraft parody. Don't mind at night.
And Webkinz Style is at first place. And I didn't vote for that, but that's still okay. Webkinz Style.
Hey, it's in second. You forgot the details. Something got over it.
No, nothing got over it.
Who freaking cares?
Look on this paper. The top, which has a 1, has Webkinz Style.
Hey, we didn't upload that onto YouTube. That doesn't count.
No, I'm saying that we didn't upload it. It's different people who actually did upload it, which is like that.
Yeah. Okay, now.
So do you get it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every day
I'm meowing. Meow. And I am not even a cat.
every day I don't mind at night. You're looking at that cave and you're feeling kind of brave. Whoa, don't mind at night. When you're looking at that cave and you're feeling kind of brave. Whoa, don't mind at night. There's Nothing until you wait into the days. Nothing will change. Zombies will wanna eat your brain. Whoa, whoa, don't mind at night.
Jinx, you owe me a soda.
Next.
Ew, dolls.
Every day. Next. Why is why a word?
I don't know why. And why aren't we looking at the time amount of this?
Well, I am. Next. What do you sell at your company?
No, nothing. Yeah, that's what the hand says. Nothing. That's what the hand says.
Taya, Handy Hand. The worst character in the show.
Oh yeah, nothing is what you said.
Okay, so
I'm stuck. Here, I'm stuck. I'm dying.
I sell CC.
I say the
CC
word.
drives. Okay, Cameran the Cat drive, which are flash drives with the Cameran the Cat brand. Also, I sell a bunch of other computer stuff such as Cameran OS, RES, Camernet, pretty much everything you can think of. I even have the Cameran the Cat restaurants. So I think so. That's the video. Bye, bye, bye.
Roar.
And character to be seen in next episode. Happy the Fluffy.
Huffy the Fluffy.
I'm old. I'm 52.
You're not 52. You're 32.
Anyway, bye. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.